they are all, you know, I mainly did most of my work with Jared and Jensen. Misha was in some of the stuff, but they're all super nice guys, which I'm sure is what you want to hear. But it's also might sound like a BS answer because you're thinking, well, you're adding attention for Supernatural. What are you going to say? They're jerks, you know? They will have me thrown out of here so fast. But the truth of the matter is, they are really nice guys, and it says a lot about the character because, you know, Jared and Jensen work every day, 15 hours a day, memorizing lines, doing various episodes. Guys who guest star, you know, we just pop in and do one episode here, one episode there, you know. And Misha the same. Misha could not be nicer.
Pellegrino?
Pellegrino is a lovely man, a lovely, lovely, scary, scary man. Yeah, no, Pellegrino is great, and he's a super friendly guy and very talented. If you see the show, everybody seen Supernatural? Because he's on. He's great. I mean, he's really good, and he's an intense dude. Because when we did Hammer of the Gods, which is the last episode I did, Mark is rotting. His like flesh is falling off his face and all that. So I didn't meet Mark at lunch like two normal people. I met him when we were about to shoot the scene. And he comes out, and like all actors on Supernatural, he's like 6'2", like he's enormous. And he's got the rotting flesh and the sunken eyes, like he's made up to be Lucifer, rotting, dying Lucifer. And he's also an intense dude. Like his whole preparation is very, he gets into the character, focuses on Steve, finds his inner Steve. So I walk in. And I'm thinking, hey, where's Mark Pellegrino? I'll go over and introduce myself. And he's sitting, kind of looking at his hand, thinking about the scene getting ready. And I bounce over, hey Mark, nice to meet you. This is gonna be good. Mark looks up, he's like, okay. And I'm thinking, this mofo's gonna actually kill me in the middle of he's gonna leap up from his chair and do it right now. But I mean, and he's very intense, and his process is very intense, but I don't mean to say that he's not incredibly friendly, because he is. And we had, the day after we shot that scene, which was a long and intense scene, we had breakfast together. And I texted my wife and said, I'm dining with Satan. Which, confused me, but he could be a nicer guy. He's great. They're all great. I have yet to encounter anybody on that show, crew, cast, who's not super friendly and super fun to work with. It's a delightful set to be on. Really, truly. Oh, and then was that the end of the other program?
There's a tiny chance.
Is there a tiny chance that Gabriel will come back? I gotta say, I don't think so. Now, I know, right? Jerks. But Supernatural is Supernatural, which means one of two things. One, they don't tell anybody what's going on. And two, they can do whatever the hell they want. So, look, never say never. There's always a possibility. And they actually haven't totally closed the door on it. They have sort of intimated when we were doing that episode that if the stories go a certain direction, there's always a possibility, but to be honest, I'm of the mindset of thinking it's probably not going to happen. So, crap.